boys and girls, this is Mrs. Miller, and today I'm going to review adding two-digit numbers. So, as you remember, one of the ways that we taught you was to underline the tens. For example, 4 is in the tens place in 43, and the first 2 is in the tens place in 22. And remember that 4 really represents 40. And the 2 in the tens place really represents 20. So that's the first step, is we add the 10. So we add the 10. And if you know what 4 plus 2 is, then you should know what 40 plus 20 is, which would be 60. The next step is that you circle the ones. So in the number 43, 3 is in the ones place, and in the number 22, 2 is in the ones place. So by this point, we should know that 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 60, and 5 is 65. The 5 jumps right into the 0, and the number becomes 65. Now in subtracting, it works the same way. So first step, underline a 10. In 55, we underline 5. In 23, we underline 2. And the first 5 really represents 50 because that's 5 tens. And in the second number, we're actually going to subtract. So not an addition symbol, but a subtraction symbol. The 2 represents 20. So the same way, if you know what 5 take away 2 is, then you know what 50 take away 20 is, which would be 30. Then you work with the ones. You circle the 5 in 55, and you circle the 3 in 23, and you subtract the ones. So we subtract 5, take away 3, which is 2. Then we add those together. 30 and 2 would be 32. Now this is something the kids have a little bit less practice with. So you can always check your answer with QuickTime. So you could draw 55, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. And then the equation tells you to take away 2 tens and 3 ones. So then you're left with 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, which is exactly what the combining tens and ones way shows you. Now the next page shows a list of equations that I would like you to practice. So I will read them. 24 plus 33, 45 plus 23, 79 minus 54, 89 minus 35, 45 plus 31, and 75 minus 43. This would be a good point to stop the video because I will continue and solve the equations using the tens and ones method. But right now, what I'd like the kids to do is to stop the video, try the equations on their own with the tens and ones method, and then restart the video and check them with my work. Okay, welcome back. I'm glad that you tried your best. So when you're doing 24 plus 33, the first thing you do is you underline the 2 and the 3 because they're in the tens place. And you make sure that you know whether you're adding or subtracting. We can see here the plus sign, so we know that we are adding. So 2 really represents 20, plus 3 really represents 30, and 20 plus 30 equals 50. Then you circle the ones, 4 plus 3, which is 7. You put them together and you get 57. Hopefully you did that, no problem. The next equation, 45 plus 23, you underline the 10. The 4 really represents 40 because it's 4 tens. plus the 2 really represents 20. 40 plus 20 is 60. You circle the ones. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Put them together and you get 68. On to the subtraction, which works the same way, but you're just taking away and not adding, is you underline the 7 and you underline 70, but you're taking away this time. 70 take away 50. If you know 7 take away 5 equals 2, then you can easily see that 70 take away 50 is equal to 20. Then you circle the ones and you say 9 take away 4, which is equal to 5. You put them together, the 5 jumps right into the 0 position, and the number is 25. Another subtraction, 9 take away 35, you underline the 8, and you underline the 3. The 8 really represents 80 minus the 3, which really is 30, equals 50. You circle the 10s. 9 take away 5. Part of that family right over there is equal to 4. Put them together, you get 54. The next one is 45 take away 31. You underline the 4, you underline the 3. You have the 4, which represents 40. You add it to 30 because that 3 is in the 10 spot, and that really means that it's 3 times 30. 40 plus 30 is 70. You circle the 5, you circle the 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Put them together, you get 76 as this total. And the next equation is 75 minus 43. You're subtracting now. You still underline the 10s, 70, but you're taking away 40. 70 take away 40 is 30. You know 7 take away 4 is 3, but you just add the 0 to make a 30. And then you circle the ones. 5 take away 3 equals to 2. Put them together, you get 32. So I hope you had some successful practice with that. If you need more practice, you can change the numbers. The next lesson will be where the ones equal more than 10. It's an extra step. So hope you had some math fun.